Good morning, everyone. My name is Jackson, or Mr. CJ. I'm the director of CJX UK. And today we are very delighted. We are very happy because here we have the group. We are calling it troop number 3, cabin crew. And these are the people who are traveling to China. And we want to thank God for this opportunity. Basically, we are doing this because of business. But I want to say that this is a very good time to travel to China because many people have actually done that. And we normally say that, you can never lack knowledge. Now, here I have our ambassador to China, that is Mr. George from Global Enza. And he'll be taking us to China this time. And I want to say that the people of Nakuru, the people of Kenya, George can be trusted. And for the first time, people are traveling in a very organized way. He has assured the team, great connections. And this is not the first time that he is doing it. So we are very lucky to have George in Nakuru County. And not only George here, I also have the representative of Nakuru County. But we'll start with George, and he'll tell us what he has prepared for the people of Nakuru and Nakuru City, just to understand what is happening. Karibu sana, Mr. George.
Thank you. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning. My name is George Wayne from Enza Global. And today we had a breakfast meeting with the different entrepreneurs who will be traveling to China on the 18th of May. And our key purpose for this particular trip is bridging markets, advancing trade and industrialization between Kenya and China, giving an opportunity to different entrepreneurs and business people, a chance to be able to trade with Chinese suppliers, a chance to even start their own factories, a chance to do manufacturing, and a chance to expand the economic potential of Nakuru County, of Nairobi, of Mombasa, of Kisumu, and Kenya at large. We are gathered here today to make sure that we can meet, we can network, and we can have an opportunity to be able to travel to China. And I'm inviting all people of Nakuru County and other counties at large to trust in us that we can be able to organize a trip for you, help you source from China, and be able to expand the horizons of your business. Asanteni sana. And at this point, I'll also want to recognize my wife here, who is here with us today, who has been of great help in making sure that this trip is a success. We have other partners who I'd like to invite to say something. And we'll start with Gulf Air, who is our travel partner. We'll also go to the county government. We'll also hear from SME Cargo and also from Ken Madini Water, who has also been of great support to this trip. So mine is to congratulate each one of us who is here, who is traveling. May this opportunity be a blessing to you and to your business. Thank you.
Karibu sir. Start with you.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. This is Gulf Air. My name is John Okuku, and I'm so humbled to be in this forum. This is the first forum ever that has been prepared this 2016 year, and we believe that these corporate clients who are going to use our carrier, Gulf Air, they're going to receive seamless service, and we are ready. Not only this one. We are looking forward for many programs like this one. Not only just China, we are also preparing one trip to London, those who are also available. We are looking forward even to go to Dubai, those who are available. So it will be after and after. And we are extending our tripartite contract to Enza Global to make sure that he synchronize and we integrate his passion of the travel and passion for the entrepreneurs so that we extend good is what we call incentive, the discount. So whoever will need to travel in Nakuru and wants to go beyond, please reach out to George. He'll have very huge discount to offer you. If you're in SME, of course, you are looking for savings. You need to save, get some discount, 20%, 30%, 50% discount for your flight. And all will be all through what we call the in-flight experience. So we want everyone to enjoy and to feel like flying is not expensive. It's affordable to everyone. Thank you.
Thank you. Let us have a cargo guy.
My name is Daniel from SME Cargo and Logistics, and mine is to assure all SMEs, including those who will be traveling to China, that SME is there to support them, to make their shipping easier, either by air, sea, and also to just assure them that our role here is to support all SMEs. Those who are here and also those who are watching, we are here to support you guys. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And now we'll have Nakuru County representative. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. My name is John Mashoria, the Director in charge of Trade, Investment, and Industry. And first of all is to congratulate all these business people who have, actualized that idea of traveling. You realize sometimes you cannot just do business locally, but you have decided to go internationally. Congratulations. Second, that when you go out there, network, be our good ambassadors, share good name of Nakuru County, and of course create network. Business out there is competitive, but I assure you, with the company of Enza Global, I know you're going to get good deals. I've seen him travel. I've seen him network. So you business people in Nakuru, you're in safe hands. So mintawasihi, ndawaeleza mwende salama, and I wish you all the best. And in case of any support that you need from the county government, our offices are open, and we are here to listen to you, so that in case you have an issue that you need to be solved by the county government, our government is listening government. Because you're not in business, but you're here to support all the business people in Nakuru, because you are the people who drive our economy. If you don't pay the taxes, we cannot run our county. I know that we have few challenges here and there, but I know with the Governor, Her Excellency Susan Keheka, I know she listens, her office is open, and will listen to all proposals that you might have. So thank you so much, and travel well.
Thank you. Thank you for assuring us, support from the county government. And for us, we are here not about politics, it's about business. It's very important. And we want to, maybe I welcome also Director Madini. He is a member of Young Investors. And I understand in this trip, about 4 young investors will be in this trip. So I think that's a good contribution. Karibu.
Good morning everyone. My name is Kennedy Njuguna, Director Madini Water. First is to congratulate Enza Global for coming up with this great initiative. Keep it up. And maybe a call out to all the young investors and business people in Nakuru. It is normally said you can never think beyond your level of exposure. It is good to take a trip to China. Just go and see what other people are doing. Go learn, then come back. I can assure you, someone who has gone to China and the one who has not, you can never compare their level of thinking. So George, I believe there is another trip after this. So people who are interested, you can still book with Enza for the next trip, and you're going to have a good time. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Asante sana. For us to be fair, this is not about Nakuru. We have many other guests from Nairobi and other places. Maybe naweza chukua one of your guests ambaye hajatoka Nakuru. Ni nani? Busia. Busia. Somebody from Busia. Haya, kuja usalimie watu. Njoo hapa useme. Njoo karibu. Salimia watu.
Good morning.
Good morning.
My name is Patrick Wanzala Mulwoto. I am a director of my own company known as Standard Purified Water, and I'm mighty delighted to team up with you people to travel to China. So far, I want to thank Enza Global for such a wonderful opportunity, because it has been my dream to travel to China for explosion of business. Thank you.
Thank you. Just to be fair, I want to invite my sister here just to speak on behalf of Enza Group, and she is the one to close the remarks, because we need to be fair so that it doesn't look like it's men affair. We have ladies around us, and I hope cameras zinaoneshana. Business is not about men. It's about anybody who is able to put their product there. Karibu sana.
Good morning. Good morning. My name is Anne from Enza Global Travel and Sourcing. was a travel consultant, and I'm delighted to be part of this company. I would like also to welcome all of you. If at all you have any inquiries, feel free to reach out to any of our team members. Thank you.
Asante. That's all from us, and may God bless you.